Hey awesome humans, how we doing? Today we're going to talk about 3 pieces of equipment that you got to have on every video shoot in my mind. They're simple pieces of equipment, but they do the job that they're designed for really well. That's what you want for equipment, right? So, number 1, gaff tape. Every shoot. It's got one job, be sticky. This will fix everything. Yeah, it's amazing. Got to have it. Get the good stuff. I get this stuff, the gaff is $3.57. It's awesome. Good gaff tape isn't cheap, but it does the job well. What's the point buying tape that just doesn't stick? It's got one job, stick, right? So yeah, if it doesn't stick, it kills you. Good gaff tape, just get it, it's awesome. Second piece of equipment that I have on video shoots, Magic Arms. They're friggin' awesome. Now, there are literally hundreds of different types of Magic Arms. Most of them are crap. Undo, get to the position you want, lock up, tight as. That's what you want, right? One job. Connect it to your camera, connect to anything at the other end, monitor, transmitters, audio, whatever you want. This is the job. This is the piece of equipment that does the job. I use the small rig Magic Arms, the newer ones that have the big tightener. These things work all the friggin' time. They're amazing. They have different anchors. These are the quick release ones at the end. These ones here, I've got a NATO rail connection. They're friggin' awesome. They do the job perfectly. Yeah, so Magic Arms, number 2. Number 3, super important on any photo shoot, any video shoot. Memory cards. I can't tell you how many people have come to me saying, Doug, my memory cards have failed. Oh no, what's going to happen? Yeah. Spend your money, get memory cards that the likelihood of them failing are so trivial that you don't even have to think about it. But on the flip side, if they do fail, the chances of you recovering the data are super high, right? I get 2 types of memory cards. I use the pro grade memory cards, awesome, good value and high quality. And the second ones I use are SanDisk cards. What is there else to say? If your data isn't secure, what's the point in making videos? What's the point on taking photos? Yeah, these are super important. Oh, little side tip. If your camera has 2 memory card slots, put memory cards in them. Record on both cards. Use the backup of the backup, right? Okay, so that's my 3 little pieces of equipment that I have on every video shoot. Obviously the last one, the memory card, hard to do a video shoot without them, but you get what I'm talking about, right? These are super important. Anyway, if you want to know some more equipment that I have to have on shoots, because there's plenty, but yeah, they're the 3 small ones that came to mind super quickly. If you want to know some more, let me know. So yeah, I'm just procrastinating now. Oh, do you know gaff tape comes in all different shapes, colors, freaking, oh, that's Velcro strips. Yeah, another little tip for like maybe a 4th little, I didn't mean to put it out there, but yeah, these little Velcro straps, super cool, very important to have, super cheap. Alright, that's enough, see ya. Hey awesome humans, how we doing? So this second piece of equipment. Number 3, God help us all. These are super cool. Spend the money, get 2, put 2 in, use the second as redundancy. It's a no-brainer, just do it.